Hello and welcome to another video. We have 2500 in the balance. We are going to do some battles. Ascending, we are going to do some price range between 25 and 105 at first. There is a three-way for them to be like standard mode, but like not necessarily always, but usually I prefer having them standard mode. 277, great start. But I don't mind changing up a little bit. Like I really like jackpot mode, crazy mode, jackpot crazy as well. But I prefer to do standard mode, I think. Nice. Probably one of the saddest things that could happen is hitting something crazy and not winning the battle, you know? Probably most of you have had that feeling before, but yeah, that's a really fucking shitty feeling. So that's why I try to avoid it. Oh man, we're hitting golden eggs after golden eggs. These both are good, I think. Yeah. Basically the same, I think. Okay, nice. 7, yeah. Metal monkey. Oh. Carrot patch. Oh, damn. Rainbow 13 is hitting something. Let's hope it's just a Glock or something. This can't be expensive, can it? What the hell? That was almost overtaking us up here. That's like really close to overtaking us. Yeah, nice. We needed that really bad. Let's go. Boom. Let's recreate it and see how it goes. Not been any golden eggs in this battle. And there was so many last battle. I'm sure we had like has to have been maybe 7 or 8 or something. And this one there was literally 0 if nobody hits now. So close. Didn't even want to win this. Let's try something else. By the way, if you didn't know, when you deposit on the range GG, make sure to deposit with code nema to be able to participate on our weekly leaderboard, which is 2000 coins. Come on now. 6 more cases. We gotta get some big hits, yeah? Okay, that's expensive. What? 95 only? Nice. We hit pretty much the same. Okay. If they are hitting the White Lotus now, we are fucked. That's alright. 665. We give them that. Okay, chef. Nobody hit anything good. Party, I think this is a 5% or fuck. And we lost this, most likely. Yep, Desert Hydra incoming. No, op fade, okay. Still a really good hit, if you ask me. I wanna do this battle one more time, just because it was some good cases, I would say. They're starting off with a golden egg. Unfortunate. Oh, what the fuck? 12,000, that's some bullshit, man. What are the odds? 0.05. That's really fucking bullshit. They hit the 12k knife. I don't think we can come back like no matter what we hit, unless we hit like a wild lotus here and we didn't, so I don't think we can. Maybe this one? Hey. Maybe something crazy from the party. Like 3x 5% hit. We didn't even hit we didn't hit one even. Let's try to join this, shall we? Standard 3v3 jackpot mode. We are starting this battle and we're probably not going to win. Okay. That's good for them, I guess. Which one is it going to be? That's a good hit, right? Oh, what? That wasn't even the graphite. Nice. Roasted. How much percent is this? Question 33. Is this a one? Could this be a 1%er? No. It can't. 43, are you kidding me? Damn. We're hitting another one. It's gonna be the M4, right? Oh, AK actually. Surprisingly enough, 53 coins. Nice. Is this worth anything? A few coins. Blue, and we didn't win this. However, what we could do is just win some coins on green and leave it at that. Okay. We fucked it. I think we're gonna end it there, guys, but thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.